Three stock launch. Up first is Kellanova, formerly known as Kellogg, the rebranded snack business trading under the ticker K as of today and now trades separately from the iconic cereal brands. And it's one of the biggest laggards of the day, down more than 6%. Here with our trades, Sylvia Jablonski, CEO of Defiance ETF. Sylvia, what do you think of Kellanova?
Hi, Tyler. Great to be here with you. Well, I think Kellanova's got a little bit of trouble on their hands. They're trying to split the bowl between cereal and snacks. I think part of this is that it's certainly their strongest growing potential business. They're talking about growth in EM. They're talking about 13.4 to 13.6 billion in revenues. But 50% of their sales are still in the U.S. The particular sector that they're in is down about 9% at the moment. Their prices are too high. Inflation has given consumers fatigue. And I just don't know that the hype is there right now. So this is a sell for me. I'm not interested in buying on this one.
And the old parent, Kellogg, is down as well, I believe, today. Second biggest loser.
Yeah, almost 20% year to date on that one, too.
Yeah. Wow. Real quickly on that, Sylvia, everyone keeps saying to buy staples and all. Why is that performing so poorly? Is it company specific?
Yeah, I thought about that too in terms of, defensive plays and staples and such, but I don't know that, necessarily Cheez-Its and Pop-Tarts, that snack segment is necessarily a staple. They might actually have more luck on kind of the cereal side, the classic, WH Kellogg side there. So I just don't think they're going to get that tailwind. And again, prices seem to be a little bit higher for them than for others, so they might not end up being the first choice. Yeah. I think their only chance here of the growth that they want is to expand into EM, but actually, kind of get that to work out. It hasn't played out yet.
Very interesting. Okay, let's quickly talk Formula One, owned by Liberty Media. The stock's higher on news that Apple is reportedly interested in buying streaming rights for $2 billion a year. You like it?
Yeah, so interestingly enough, I was sort of neutral on this one, but this Apple news got me a little bit more excited. So the good thing that they have going for them is, sort of full commoditization of sponsorship, commercial ownership, brands, media, everything that has to do with Formula One. The amount of revenue that they generate on those media rights right now is about half of what Apple is supposedly in talks to offer them. So, if that deal goes through, I think that there's a lot of hype that gets picked up there. And then, potentially you see a surge in sort of sponsorship, media, everything that is Apple. We sort of saw what happened when they did the deal with MLS on the soccer side. But the company is also financially stable. They're doing better than 85% of their peers in the media-related space. Again, 1.5 billion viewers is a captive audience, and people seem to love Formula One. So I'm going to keep an eye on this one.
Yeah, people do love Formula One. They are really crazy for it. Final name is Zscaler, cloud security firm, 3% higher, upgrade, Piper Sandler. Going to benefit, says Piper, from strong trends in cyber spending. It's the top gainer in the NASDAQ 100 today. What do you think of this one?
Yeah, this one is a strong, I love it, I'm going to buy it, it's type of name. So up more than 40% year to date. It's got the upgrades from, Morgan, Piper Sandler, as you said. Interestingly enough, you see a lot of hedge funds scooping it up as well. So the compounded annual growth rate for network security is projected to be about 14% through 2030. It's about a $172 billion market cap, looking at over $400 billion in coming years. Everything today is about AI, network security, quantum computing, supercomputing, and you essentially need safety in all of this and have to have that in order for it to grow. So the companies like Zscaler, Palo Alto, I just think that they're going to have a massive tailwind for the next 5 to 10 years as, AI and supercomputing are the future of technology. And 14% projected CAGR is not so bad.
Not in the kind of environment we could be facing. Sylvia, thank you very much. We appreciate it today.